So guys, ayan, we are here in our little home away from home. There's a fridge here. Full of food. Mommy Riz is washing. Meron tayo dito ang maliit na kitchen. May dining table. Yan ang sala. I like this boiler. Radiator pala. Tapos sa loob, here. 2 rooms. Here's our baby Tay-Tay's bedroom.
You're blocking the TV.
I'm blocking the TV. She's watching her own telly there. That's Kuya's little bedroom. There's a cupboard here.
Bedroom.
There's a Kuya's little bed. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
There you go. And this one is the main bedroom. Look at that. Leisure resorts. Mayroong sariling bathrobe. Yan. So, tapos, double bed lang ito. Queen size. May maliit na tele doon. Tapos, may in-suite shower, toilet, maliit na sink, pretty standard boiler. Yan. Tapos, ano pa? Wala na. Meron dito may closet. Medyo pwede mo nang lagyan ng iyong gamit. Ayan. So, may bintana dyan. Double glazing. Hindi masyado malamig. Sakto lang kasi pagka malamig ay may toilet pa rin ditong isa. Toilet, ayan. Meron din built-in na shower. So, there you go. Yan ang ating home away from home ngayong weekend.
And pleaded guilty to dangerous driving.